Hello and welcome to my new YouTube video. And for today, my plan is make to ready some wall. I get more wooden sheets, OSB, and winter is coming and I don't have any lights in the garage. So I like to make some wall ready, and then some electrician come and make me some lights on the side and maybe some on the top. Winter is not far away and already evenings is very dark. Yes, I have to work a little bit for garage now. Oh. For this side, walls is ready. There's a change position for electric connections, and wall is ready for electricians. Make some lights for the winter, and for the end, I make a little bit higher too, just to have lights a little bit higher. And I need to finish with painting. Yes, I'm very happy. Big job is done. And for Skoda, gear stick, little bit looks ugly. Chrome is off and the side is broken, you know, from switching gears. And I get brand new with a red top, and I like to change it. Let's try take off old one. Actually, I don't know how it's coming off, but I can try. I see. Okay. Okay, easy system. Push it together, push it back. Okay, this is off. I hope a new one will work for this, because this is a little bit different. This looks easy too. We go in on a gear stick, then we put on this ring, and with special tools we just, I think, pressing together. Okay, let's try. Okay, with this front, it should be this way. So ring on, like this, straight. It is straight now. We go for ring, and should be with this. Yeah, it's strong enough. Can make a little bit more stronger. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, then we push back this. It's coming where? Okay, new gear stick. Old one, a new one. I think looks very good. Ding, 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 ding. And for Skoda, for door handles, I get fake carbon covers for door handles. And it looks like this. Okay, I need a little bit clean all oils and dirts off, and it's just on the two lines with sticky tape. I hope it will hold, and it's after first driving it will be same place here, you know. Okay, let's try. Nice and clean. I'm ready for fake carbon covers. Okay, start with the sticky tape. Come on. It's good. I mean, it's good tape. Okay, something different. I think looks good. I hope it will be on after first driving. Let me know in comments how it looks. I think good, something different. Yes, all four handles with a carbon. Yes, and unfortunately I didn't do much job for Passat. I didn't sandblast anything, and yesterday I get a phone call from my boss from Norway. Tomorrow I have to fly to Norway to back to job. I don't know for how long. Yes, but video will come out soon. Not long one, little bit about walls. It take 2.5 days to make this for me. And little bit about Skoda. Yes, and nothing with the Passat, yes. But for the next video, when I will be home, I will sandblast this paint and try to put together other side front. Okay, if you like my short video, like, subscribe, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.